Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Pak Study Week number 7. BS Physics and BS Chemistry. Land of Pakistan, its geostrategic, geopolitical and geoeconomic importance of Pakistan. Land of Pakistan. Pakistan is located in South Asia. The total area of this Muslim state is 7,96,096 square kilometers. The geography of Pakistan is through point blend of landscapes varying from plains to desert, forests, hills, and plateaus, ranging from the coastal area of the Arabian Sea in the south to the mountains of Karakoram Range in the north. Pakistan geologically overlaps both with India and the Eurasian plates, where its seen Punjab provinces lie in the northwestern corner of the Indian plate, while the Balochistan and most of the Khyber Pakhtunkhwa lie within the Eurasian plate, which mainly comprise the Iranian plates. Administratively speaking, the state of Pakistan consists of 4 provinces, namely Punjab, Sindh, Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, and Balochistan federally administrated tribal area. Provisionally administrative tribal area Pata and the capital territory Islamabad. Balochistan with an area of 3,47,190 square kilometers is the biggest. All the 4 provinces Punjab is spread over etc. kilometers. Geostrategic importance of Pakistan. Pakistan lies on the crossroad and geographically she is connected with South Asia, Central Asia and West Asia. Mountains of Pakistan, the Himalaya, Karakoram and Indus and Hindu Kush serve as a natural defense system of the country. The Indus River of Pakistan is one of the mightiest river of the world. The coastal lines of Pakistan from Jain to Rann of Kutch is 1,046 km long, while the territorial sea is 12 nautical miles, 22 kilometers, and contiguous zone is 24. Geopolitical importance of Pakistan. Like the geostrategic importance of Pakistan, its geopolitical importance is also undeniable. In the same region where Pakistan is located, India, China, Iran, Afghanistan, Russia and Arab countries, Israel and Tajikistan are pursuing their political agenda, which directly and indirectly involve here Pakistan is regional and global politics. Geoeconomic importance of Pakistan. Geoeconomic importance of Pakistan. It is the era of globalization. Globalization adds new dimension to the world economic. Pakistan is blessed with invaluable natural resources and manpower. Afghanistan is landlocked country. The Afghan transit trade is being carried out through Pakistan. Once Afghanistan problem is resolved on permanent basis. The Central Asia state would prefer definitely Pakistani seaports for their imports and exports, because the Iranian ports as compared to Pakistani ports are 1,000 kilometers away. To the Central Asia land is the continent's self-exclusive economic zone of Pakistan is 200 nautical miles, 370 kilometers. Pakistan relation with neighbors countries. Pakistan occupies a historic and significant position in Asia. People's Republic of China and the Central Asian state are its immediate neighbors. In the northeast, it has a common border of about 650 kilometers with the People's Republic of China, along with its Gilgit Agency and Baltistan. In the northwest, a narrow link to the Soviet Union. The nearest points of the two countries are only 16 and 19 kilometers, and the farthest about 80 kilometers. Immediately after the occupation of Afghanistan in December 1979, the Soviet Union forcibly annexed the Wakhan area to directly race in borders on Pakistan northern borders. Relation with China. Pakistan occupies a historic and significant position in Asia. In the northeast, it has a common border about 650 kilometers with People's Republic of China along with its Gilgit Agency and Baltistan. Pakistan and China are neighboring countries. They have common boundary of about 650 kilometers long. Their bilateral relation depend upon glorious tradition and close friendship. Pakistan recognized China on its birth on October 1949. Start of Pak-China friendship, settlement of boundaries, support at Indo-Pak wars. Number 4, economic and technical aids. Number 5, construction of Sikh route. Number 6, defense pacts. Number 7, support to China. फिर इसके बाद नेबर कंट्री के साथ जो हमारा दूसरा नेबर कंट्री है वो है इंडिया. Relationship with India. India is a neighboring country of Pakistan. Its 84% population is consisted of Hindus and 10% of Muslims and 6% are other minorities. Common border between Pakistan and India is 1650 kilometers and ceasefire line is not included in it. The relation between Pakistan and India could not be developed on better lines from the inception of Pakistan, Kashmir dispute, India Water Treaty and India. Number 3, separation of East Pakistan and India, SAARC and India, South Asian Association for Regional Cooperation and India. Freedom movement in Kashmir, Agra Conference and इंडिया. रिलेशनशिप विथ ईरान, यानी थर्ड जो हमारा नाइबर कंट्री है वो ईरान है. इन वेस्ट ऑफ पाकिस्तान इज ईरान. ईरान इज एन इस्लामिक कंट्री. पाकिस्तान शेयर 900 किलोमीटर बॉर्डर विथ ईरान. पाकिस्तान हैज क्लोज रिलेशन सिंस हिज क्रिएशन. बैकग्राउंड, we have close religious, cultural and trade relation with Iran since long. Iran was the first country that recognized Pakistan at its emergency and ambassador were exchanged. Number 2, mutual visit of leaders. Number 3, RCD, regional cooperation and development. Indo-Pak war and Iran. Iranian revolution and Pakistan. Socio-economic cooperation organization. Number 4, industrial and technical cooperation. फिर इसके बाद जो हमारा नेबर्स है, रिलेशनशिप विद अफगानिस्तान, इम्प्रूवमेंट इन रिलेशन, वार ऑफ यूएसएसआर यानी साबिक रशिया, सोवियत यूनियन एंड अफगानिस्तान. रिलेशनशिप विद अफगानिस्तान, ड्यूरेंट लाइन डिवाइड द बॉर्डर ऑफ पाकिस्तान एंड अफगानिस्तान विच इज अबाउट 2250 किलोमीटर लॉन्ग. बोथ कंट्री आर कनेक्टेड थ्रू hilly passes. Dara Khaybar is very famous among them. Improvement in relation in the early decade, yani 10 years, after 10 years, 1970, his relation between both the countries began to improve. The Prime Minister of Pakistan and President of Afghanistan visited each other country and signed a pact of regional security and intervention. War of USSR, Soviet Union, Russia and Afghanistan. Pakistan relation with Afghanistan began to strengthen by the military revolution. Geneva Pact and Pakistan. Number 4, Government of Mujahideen and Pakistan. Permanent Joint Commission. Attack of USA United States on Afghanistan. New democratic government in Afghanistan and Pakistan. After the installation of new democratic government in Pakistan, a pact of gas pipeline between the Prime Minister of Pakistan and the President of Afghanistan was signed in early 2003 and promised to help each other to complete the project. In 2004, Hamid Karzai was elected as a democratic president of Afghanistan. There is a hope of starting a new era of relation between Pakistan and Afghanistan. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Allah Hafiz.